Hello, today I will show you what happens if you virus with MEMZ Trojan virus and how to remove it from your computer. First, let's run the virus. And now we run it, we run yes, and we do like this, and now it appears a lot, and now what happens? The MEMZ is running on the background. So, run cmd as administrator, and now we see the MEMZ is running in background to be sure. And now put this command ASCII image MEMZ.exe, and now we close all the process of MEMZ, but MEMZ modify the master boot record. So after we reboot this machine, it will appear a message from the virus. So I will put the ISO of Windows 7, and now I will restart. And let's restart it. I will remove for a moment the ISO image to see what happens if you reboot. See. So we need to put the ISO and restart the machine. So let's click next, repair your computer, and now we click using other tools, not this one option. We click next and start up repair, and now let's wait. What will happen? So now the startup is repaired, but the MEMS is also now in the master boot record partition. Now an update, if you see the Windows tell us to press any key to boot from a CD or DVD. This is a new thing. If you see, if we don't press anything, also now we are blocking this image. So we click restart and press any key. And now we need to type two commands in CMD. So let's wait for the ISO image and let's wait. We'll click again next, repair your computer. But now if you see the ISO image found an operating system on the computer, which is the Windows 7, which we got installed on it. Now we click next and command prompt, and here type these commands: boot rec fix boot, and another command is boot rec fix mobile. And now the computer is repaired, and let's restart it to see also you the results. If you see, the Windows starts normally, like nothing was happened. On our user, Welcome. And now we are in the Windows. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel.